Oh, yes, important. So, one of the most common problems which most people face as a CA inter student is, should I remember sections or not? Yes, it's a very commonly asked question to me. Especially, it starts like this. On first day of GST, yes, I will remember all questions. On fifth day of GST, okay, I'll remember only section, not subsection. On 50th day of life at CA inter, I cannot remember any section. Yes. If that is the same story with group, guys, this video will help you revise and this sheet will help you revise. So let's try and see how we can do a section wise revision, guys. This is an entire section, only section wise revision of GST. So we will cover every chapter, but only through sections. So it is that view. And remember, guys, GST is now 50 marks. And if you can remember these sections, guys, you will get an edge. Do you get additional marks when you write sections? Definitely yes. Because when the moderator is correcting, they have certain benchmarks, and one of them is have they quoted sections. And if you quoted the right sections, obviously right ones, then you get the marks. Yes. And what if you don't quote the sections? They don't cut the marks. But if we are comparing two answers, the answer which has sections gets more. So indirectly, guys, you get lesser marks because of that. Overall, I think 5 to 7% difference can be made. And for a CA inter student or a CA student, every mark matters. So why not? Yes. Let's start, guys. The first chapter we started was which chapter, guys? Introduction. And introduction, we didn't have any section. Only, guys, we had three articles. So article number 46. Then article number 46A. Then article number 69A and article number 279A. This last one was for GST Council. Before that was for IGST. Before that was for the concurrent list. Next chapter was value of supply. In value supply, life was really nice, guys. Where only one section and two subsections. So there is section 51 where you realize the value of things. Then you add five items, which is a section 15 2, and then you minus, which is section 15 3. Great, guys. Then we moved on to another chapter, which is called supply. In supply, not just that there were some sections, there were also some schedules. Let's see if we can answer those. So there was section 7. I'm not going to write section and again. Section 7, 1A, which says that is there supply or not, which was B plus C. And it was related to a schedule which is called schedule to whether it is goods or services. Excellent, guys. Then next was 7, 1B, where B is there or not there. There should be C, but there was no schedule attached to that. So no schedule attached to that. And then there was 7, 1C, where you didn't want what? See, but it should be in connection of business, and there was schedule one. Do you remember, guys? And overall, guys, there was a schedule called schedule 3, which was a negative list. Do you remember this, guys? So this was negative list. Alright. That was the next chapter. After that, guys, we started a chapter called charge of GST. In charge of GST, guys, when do you charge your phone? So section 9, guys. Section 9 is the main section, which is the main section. Section 9.3 and 9.4. Remember this, guys. This is all the supplies under RCM. But guys, remember whether you're purchasing it, whether it's FCM or RCM, doesn't matter. No, purchase leads to what? Credit. You know this, guys. So don't let RCM bother you too much. And but there was another section called 9.5. What is the section? Which is basically e-commerce operator, and what are the four? H, T, H, and R. This is our prediction. It will be in the exams. That's section 9.5. Then, guys, there was a section called 10.1 and section called 10.2A. Do you remember this? Yes. This was composition scheme dealer, and this is composition scheme for service providers, guys. Do you remember this? Yes, all right. I'm also going to use this side of the page. So I'm now going to be, whenever we get time, we'll also use that part. But after charge, guys, which chapter did we do? Registration. Do you remember registration, guys? Yes. So registration chapter had a lot of sections. Let's start with the first one. The first one was section 24. Remember this? Compulsory registration. Remember the shortcut? I creation. Section 22. Turnover based registration, which is your favorite animal till now, guys. Pigs. Next is section 23. Guys, remember years? Yes, so years go to shortcut here. Next, guys, section 25. They were all the procedure, of how many days? Guys, remember the hotline number 777, effective date, liable, proactive, all that was here. Guys, are we all in this together? Yes, so this is all in this together. That is section 26. Guys, how many days Delhi exhibition? Where you met CTP and NRTP. Next, guys, section 28. Can you amend the registration? Yes, remember the word can. Yes, section 29. Very important. Guys, sad music in the background. Your registration is getting cancelled. ITC will now disappear. And section 30 is revocation. You are begging, guys, please, I'm like your son, only get me my ITC back. This is you in front of a Karnataka or Mumbai or Delhi cop. Yes. Next, guys, which is the next chapter? ITC, and we link it to payment. We do both of them together, guys. So ITC and payment chapter together. Let's see what are the sections here. Guys, first was section 16.1, which was BR. What was it, guys? Then was 16.2, which was DRGR. Next was 16.3, which was only for capital goods. And next 16.4, which is NA. Do you remember NA, guys? Yes. Very nice, guys. Excellent. Now, guys, 17. In 17, I'm just giving you the main one, the section 17.5. 5 was for what, guys? Block credit. Yes. So writing BC is such a problem, guys. So block credit. Yes. Section 17.4 is only for whom, guys? Banks, etc. Do you remember to BD 50%? I'm writing what? BD 50%. Yes. And next, guys. Do you remember if a capital good is sold? Remember this capital goods sold. You should sell it only after 5 years, else punishment. Remember the happy occasion? 18.1 and 18.2. How many occasions, guys? Four, where you were getting into what, guys? GST occasions. So, four GST occasions. Yes. Remember Sam R? Yes, that was three occasions. 18.3. I'm just writing Sam R. These were the important sections from ITC. Now, payment chapter. What is that 1, 2, 3, 4? No, that's not important. I'm just writing the important ones, the ones that you should remember through the sheet. Yes, and payment chapter, guys, all the ledgers are section 49. Do you remember ledgers, guys? How many ledgers? Three ledgers. Can you transfer money from one to the other? That is 4910. That you can say that is transfer. What you can do, guys? Transfer in which ledger? Cash ledger. Then, guys, there was another section called 50 where you have to pay what now? Interest. And remember, now there is only one interest. What is the rate applicable, guys? 18%. And very important, guys, when you pay electricity bills, section 49A, section 49B, and rule, guys, 88A. Do you remember this? This is payment of electricity bill. So this is what you need to put there. Here we also had two rules, guys. Rule 86A for avoid, guys. Do you remember avoid? And there was rule 86B for beg. Do you remember that rule, guys? This is for beg. Yes. Guys, that's the first page, almost ending, guys, now. I don't want this to be hung up, so here we'll save it as well. This is sections. All right. While this gets saved, guys, which was the next chapter that we were doing? Time of supply. Everyone on the screen, please. Time of supply. Guys, what is the time right now? Time to take a break, but in 5 minutes, guys. 12, 1, and 13.1 was for what, guys? Introduction. 12, 2, and 13.2 was for what, guys? FCM. Here, guys, the only time where you remove, don't consider advanced 12.2. 12.3 and 13.3 was what, guys? RCM. Next, I'll write it here. 12.4 and 13.4. What is this, guys? Vouchers. 12.5 and 13.5 is what, guys? Residual case. And 12.6 and 13.6 is what, guys? Interest, late fee, penalty, etc. That is time for supply. After that, which chapter? Yes, exemption. There's only one, guys. Please write exemptions. If you've not been there for that chapter, no problem, guys. There's only one exemption, only one notification. Here, please write notification number 12 of 2017. All right. What are the next chapter after that, guys? Returns, guys. Everyone, returns chapter. We'll just write the important section. Section 37 is for GSTR 1. Do you remember that, guys? Section 39 is for all returns, guys. All the returns, monthly returns. These are all monthly returns. Yes. Then section 39.9. Do you remember rectifying? When can you rectify, etc. 39.9. And only last two, guys. Section 44. Remember annual return? And 45 is the final return. And 48 in case they ask GST practitioner. Alright. After that, which chapter? TDS, yes, very simple. Only two sections, TDS and TCS. What are the section? For TDS, it is 51. And for TCS, it is, guys, what? 52. Alright. Next, accounts, records, and e-way bill. Only and only one section here. Section 35 and 36 for accounts and records. And rule 138 for e-way bill. And guys, tax invoice. Tax invoice, only two important sections. Section 31 is the main common one for everything, and debit note, credit note go in with section, guys. Section 34, this is for what? Debit note and credit note. Of course, we are forgetting our place of supply, guys. Do you remember section 10? Section 10 is for what? Goods. And do you remember section 12? Section 12 is for what? Service. I'm not writing the others here because I don't want you to confuse yourself. But in case you are capable, and I'm sure you are, if your revision goes well, guys, you can look at different 10 1. Remember A, B, C, D, E? Arrive, build to, confine, develop, entry. And 12 1, just let's put the main words. 12 1, introduction. 12 2, seesaw. 12 3, immobile property. Remember that? Yes, 12 4. 4 times gym, 5. Nice 5-star rating training program, 6. Entry to amusement park, 7. 7-day events, 8. Goods, 9. Passengers, 10. Movies on a flight. No problem, guys. 11. Telecom operators. 12. Banks, financial services, broking. 13. Insurance. And 14. AG. Guys, this is the sections. Honestly, I would want to put it on one page, but didn't happen because my handwriting was all over the place. But if you can make one sheet later on and put all this at one place, it will be great. How do you get access to this sheet? Guys, this sheet along with any other example, if there's any other thing like ICI papers, my quick book, handwritten notes, if I want to share, I have one drive link already created. Once GST comes to a link today,